Hello everyone! It's finally autumn, which means trees are turning orange, leaves are falling, crisp mornings and cozy drinks. Wait, but I live here. But that's okay, because I tried to make an autumny intro to compensate. Today's video is another Sketching My City installment. It's of a water taxi on the Riverwalk in Downtown Tampa. If you'd like to see the real-time version of this along with my other urban sketching videos, you can find them on my new Patreon page. I've also started including printable trace/coloring sheets so you can try your own version and sketch along with the video. Now, with this sketch I was met with a few obstacles. The first, it was so hot and dry that the water dried almost immediately when it hit the paper. So I overcompensated with too much water, so the beginning part of this sketch consisted of me trying not to panic with how things were going. The second is that I found the water taxi really tricky to figure out, both proportion and colouring wise. The whole way through I felt like something was never quite right, but the main thing was that I really enjoyed myself. I met some really friendly people that were interested and complimentary about the sketch, and I would definitely go back to this location as it had a lot of promise and lots of interesting little things. In fact, I might actually go back there at some point and do some smaller thumbnail versions. So I think some water taxi sketch practice is in my near future. I did really enjoy how this sketch turned out, even if it wasn't exactly what I had planned and had in mind. I love how the water looks, and the overall look of the sketch I think looks cool. Anyway, I really hope you like the video, and I'll see you in the next one.